Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for income tax multitasking staff positions. We'll start by understanding what MTS roles entail within the income tax department. These are crucial support positions offering stable government employment. We'll also cover the general educational requirements, which typically involve passing the 10th standard from a recognized board. This information is vital for anyone considering a career in public service. Next, let's delve into the eligibility criteria and the application process. Applicants generally need to be within a specific age range, often between 18 and 27 years. The application process is usually online, requiring you to visit the official Income Tax Department website. It's crucial to have all your documents, such as educational certificates and identification, prepared beforehand to ensure a smooth application submission. Now, let's discuss the selection process for MTS positions. This usually involves a competitive written examination designed to assess various skills. The exam commonly covers subjects like general awareness, reasoning ability, and numerical aptitude. Depending on the specific role, candidates might also need to pass physical tests or skill assessments. Preparing thoroughly for these stages is key to successfully securing a position. Finally, let's talk about important dates and where to find resources. Application periods are announced on the official Income Tax Department website, so regular checks are essential. Staying updated with official notifications and news will ensure you don't miss any deadlines. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Timely application and preparation are crucial for a successful outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.